every day in this room we can produce from 104 to 120 wheels. This means that every year we can produce more than 40,000 wheels of Parmigiano Reggiano. If we take into account all the Quattro Madonne's production, we should reach the 100,000 wheels produced every day. So every wheel needs 550 liters of milk to be produced. This means every morning we need more or less 60,000 liters of milk just to switch the production on, switch machines on. Nowadays the cauldrons are inside in copper, outside it is steel. Between copper and steel there's an empty space in which runs the steam. We need a machine, obviously. This machine is called the Stork, as the bird that brings the babies to the palace. You can see the cheese is very soft in this stand. So when the cheese comes here, we have to close it on this plastic valve with 10 kilos weight on the top. 10 kilos weight are not like this, you can see there on the right. In order to balance the losing of the liquids.
So they spend one day in here with the weight to get their shape, and then
within 3 days of press over is done. The first one, the last time in a day, the guys turn the cheese upside down. They can remove the linen cloth, and they can put this brass belt between the cheese and the plastic belt itself. Here we have all the main information we have seen before and crossed.
they spend 20 to 25 days in the salt dryer.
This is not a warm place. The total available spots are 33,572 wheels. It looks like a lot, but here we can store less than 1 year of production. As you can see here, the cheese changed the color from the white that the new cheese is. This is, for example, an October 21 production. 2 days more, a month more, as that one is an August 21 production. It's darker than this one, and also the writing starts to be more readable by oxidation. The aging process lasts minimum 1 year, and during this, here the cheese loses liquids, so we have to keep clean the production. To clean the production, we need machines like this one. This machine takes the cheese, turns it upside down, roasts it, and put inside every 10 days to clean the cheese. It's an automatic one.
With water? It uses water to clean them? Or how? No.
Brushes.
Brushes, okay.
You can see the left. It's an automatic one. You have to set it in the morning and then it starts. Here we can find the different sound. For example, this is a 2 years cheese and September 19. January 20, so 1 year and a half. No, 2 years. "16 years old. It's an August 2005 production.
Is that still good?
Yeah, so good if you like it.
Wow, I've never had one that old.
I tried the 10 years cheese, and it's totally different from the 2 years.
master.
So is that one perfect?
I think so. It's all mine.
Why is the handle
With the finger like this.
Give the vibration. So stop the aging process. But it was too young to be certified, so we lost it.